Okay, this is problem number 2 on section 3 of chapter 8. For this problem, I need you to pause the video and read this problem, identify the null and the alternative hypothesis. Okay, so here we're testing the claim that the population mean is greater than 80 seconds. So my null hypothesis and the alternative hypothesis. For the null hypothesis, we know that we use the symbol for mean. The null hypothesis contains only quantity, and the alternative hypothesis in this case is the claim. It says the mean is greater than 80, and that is the claim in this particular situation. Okay, remember the claim might be on the alternative or on the null hypothesis, but since this mathematical statement is greater than, that corresponds to the alternative hypothesis. Okay, so it says if we want to construct a confidence interval to be used for testing the claim, this is another way to test a claim using confidence intervals. Okay, what confidence level should we use for a confidence interval? So in this particular situation, we have a right tail. Okay, we have a right tail because of this inequality, so we know we have a right tail. Okay, and so the significance level is 5%. It's right here in this part of the problem. Is 5%, 0.5. So this table provides that information of how to select the confidence level. So we have in this particular case a significance level of 0.05, and it's a one tail. So my confidence level should be 90%. Okay. So this table is in the textbook. You can find this in the textbook. The next part, it says what should we conclude about the claim. Okay, once they find the confidence interval containing this lower limit, which is 5.9 and 202.9, we gotta decide if we reject or fail to reject. And it's pretty simple. If the confidence interval contains the null hypothesis, the assumed value, of on the mean of the population, we fail to reject. Okay, we fail to reject the null hypothesis, since the 80, the value in the null hypothesis, is contained in the interval. Okay, it says right here, you reject a claim that the population parameter has a value that is not included in the confidence interval. So in this case, since that 80 is in this interval, we fail to reject. Okay, so remember we need that part. We fail to reject. Okay, and the original claim in this case does not include equality. Okay, so original claim does not include equality, and this is our situation. And you reject, no, we did fail to reject, so it's this one right here. original claim does not include equality, and you fail to reject. Okay, we did fail to reject, so this is the way we word the conclusion. There is not sufficient evidence to support the claim that, or the claim is that the population mean is equals to 80 seconds. So that's how we fill out this part. The given confidence interval contains the value of 80 seconds. That's what I did here. So there is not sufficient evidence to support the claim. Okay, I get it from this table. So that's how you do problem number 4. Problem number 2.